Hello guys, this is Justin Miles Del Rosario. Now, we are going to discuss how rock cycles. First, let's talk about rocks. Rocks are constantly changing on Earth. Rocks constantly change their formation and transport around the Earth sequence of events, involving the formation, alteration, destruction, and reformation as a result of natural process. Rocks are naturally occurring solid collection of mineral grains and chemicals. Rocks are neither created nor destroyed, but redistributed and transformed from one rock type to another. The three types of rocks. Number 1, igneous rocks. Number 2, sedimentary rocks. Number 3, metamorphic rocks. Each of these rocks has a unique way of forming and can even transform into one another. First is the igneous rock. Igneous rock is formed when the volcano flows a magma, then the magma becomes a rock called igneous rocks. Second is the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks can be formed by the weathering, eruption, or sedimenting. Weathering or eruption can cause rocks into small pieces, and when it pushed by the wind and it goes to the water, these rocks carried away and gather it all time. Last is the metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks is formed when the underground magma goes up to the surface, then it's stuck. After 100 degrees Celsius, it will be formed rocks called metamorphic rocks. Now, let's proceed to the cycle of rocks. As you can see to this picture, this is the cycle of rock. First is the magma. Why? Because rock will not form when no magma. Magma, when it cools, it will form igneous rocks. While igneous rocks, when it melts, it will form magma. Then igneous rocks, when weather or eruption arrives, it will become sedimentary rocks because it will break and push by the wind to the water and form sedimentary rocks. While when eruption or weather arrives again, it will become sediments. And then sedimentary rocks. When heat and pressure pits together under the surface, it will become metamorphic rocks. While metamorphic rocks, when eruption or weather arrives, it will become sediments. Igneous rocks, when heat and pressure pits together too, it will become metamorphic rocks. Lastly, when metamorphic rock melts, it will become a magma. And that's the cycle of rock.
I'll take your hand and hold it closer to